students, so today we're going to learn about measurements, focusing on measuring in millimeters. Okay, so millimeter is one of the unit to measure length, which is distance. Other than millimeter, we also have three other units. There are kilometer, meter, and centimeter. Kilometer is the biggest unit you can use to measure length. The smallest one is millimeter. For today, we're going to focus on centimeter and millimeter only, the two smallest unit to measure length. Okay, so for here, in 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeter. From this ruler, you can see, here is the 1 centimeter, right? So this small one here are called the millimeter. This is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and this one is 5 milliliter. Okay, so 10 milliliter met the 1 centimeter. Okay, so how you convert centimeter to millimeter? In 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeter, right? So you multiply by 10. And then, if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, you divide the number by 10. Okay, so you remember this formula. Centimeter to millimeter, you multiply by 10. Millimeter to centimeter, you divide by 10. Okay, so let's try this first example. Here, you have 40 millimeter. You need to convert this 40 millimeter into centimeter and millimeter. So, millimeter to centimeter. What do you need to do? You need to divide. So, here, you do the working. 40 divided by 10. So, 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So, 40 minus 40, 0. Here is the answer. You have 4 centimeter and 0 millimeter. Okay, so the next one, let's try this question. 29 millimeter, you need to convert into centimeter and millimeter. So here, millimeter to centimeter, you need to divide by 10. Do the long division. 29 divided by 10. So 29 divided by 10 is 2. So you put 2 here, then you multiply back. 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And then you minus these two numbers. 29 minus 20 is 9. So here, you got the 2 centimeter, and this remainder is the millimeter. So you have 9 millimeter here. Therefore, 29 millimeter is also equal to 2 centimeter and 9 millimeter. Okay? Next, the third question. Let's look at this. This one, you need to convert 13 centimeter into millimeter. And then, look the formula again. Centimeter to millimeter. What do you need to do? You need to multiply the number by 10. Okay? So here, 13 centimeter, you multiply by 10. You remember how to multiply numbers by 10, right? Just copy this number, 13, and then how many zero? 1. So you put 1 0 at the back, 130. Therefore, 13 centimeter is also equal to 130 millimeter. Okay? You can look from here, from 0 to 13 here, there are 130 millimeter. You can count. Okay? So, the last question, look here. 7 centimeter and 2 millimeter. You need to convert this number into millimeter. How you convert centimeter to millimeter? Centimeter to millimeter, you need to multiply by 10. Okay? So, 7 centimeter. 2 millimeter, you multiply by 10. So, 7 times 10 is 70. So, you have 70 millimeter. And then, you have this 2 millimeter here. Therefore, you need to add these two numbers, plus 2 millimeter. In total, you got 72 millimeter. Therefore, 7 centimeter and 2 millimeter is also equal to 72 millimeter. Okay, so what I want you to remember for today is, if you want to change centimeter to millimeter, you need to multiply the number by 10. If you want to change millimeter or convert millimeter to centimeter, you need to divide the distance, the length, by 10. Okay? So, that's all for today.